everyone. My name is Lungani Ashley Mkwanazi, management of Isibani Sabantu. We are here to do an interview about our work, productivity, and how do we support the community. Yes. So we're gonna start with questions. So I'm gonna answer the questions. So the interview with questions.
Okay. When did you start your business?
I started this business in 2023, November. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Why did you decide to become a business owner?
I decided because there are people who need to be supported in this area, and also we also need money as usual. But here we support and give to the people. Yes.
Okay. What was your mission at the start of your company?
My mission was to accomplish those people who are poor and sympathy with in rural areas, and so forth. Yeah.
Okay. What service or product do you offer?
I offer productivity of t-shirts and also things that are based on the community, like charity. We supplies food, and also we supply clothes for those who are poor.
Okay. How do you advertise your business?
I advertise my business on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, also on the live interaction with people.
Okay, Ashley, thank you for your time.
Thank you.